So what's going on, everyone? So today is a very quick analysis of the trades that we were able to take today. Our winning trade, I'm just going to be going through our winning trades. Our winning trades was um, silver, which on silver, we were really able to get like a crazy 1:3. Our other winning trade was Nasdaq also. On Nasdaq also, we were really able to get this move, which was a 1:3 also. And then we had another trade that we were able to participate in. But ideally on this trade, we were not able to secure the full take profit. So um, this was a break-even trade. Okay, so how do we usually take these trades? So I'll first, by the way, give you an example. If you are not in the Telegram group, you should be on the Telegram group, because on this Telegram group, what I usually do is you can be able to see all these trades, the trade analysis that I was able to share day in the morning. So what I usually do is I usually share the trade analysis. You can be able to see here signal buy JP225. You can be able to see signal sell US30. And if you click on this, you can just be able to see exactly you're given the stop loss, you're given the entry, target one and target two. If you go to the next one, you can be able to see Nasdaq, you're given the entry, target two and target one. BTC USD, the same thing. And these are the results that I usually share after the trades have been able to take place. Okay, so if you're not on the Telegram group, you want to make sure you are on the Telegram group. So how are we able to take these trades? For example, for silver, I'll just give you a very, very short example. We're able to look at our two main zones, okay? Our two main zones, which were this zone here and this zone here. And then the next thing that I was waiting for is an EMA break, which wanted to make sure that price is crossing the EMA from below. Okay, the EMA is above price. And then the last thing you are looking for is volume. So how are you able to capture high quality trades like this? We use a tool known as Manara. Okay, so for Manara, what Manara does, it analyzes the market for you. And after analyzing the market for you, it gives you high probability setups. As you can be able to see, if I go to the notification, you can be able to see, you'll just be able to take a look at gold, not gold, silver, and you'll be able to take a look at Nasdaq 100. So you can be able to see the signals are the ones that have been given here. And this, for example, is the silver signal that actually gave us that trade. So how do we identify our trading areas? It's very, very simple. We usually mark my point A, which is here, which I understand will be the highest low, highest of the previous day, and then you have the low. So this is why Manara really helps us like identify the pattern first. After the pattern, these are different levels that have been able to be calculated here. We have this is the extreme Fibonacci retracement. We have the 618 zone. We have the 086 zone. We also have here where it has been marked, which the smart money concept traders usually call the sweep of liquidity, and which we usually call also the supply or demand zones. So if you can be able to draw that zone here, which is I think around this zone, which is supply and demand zone. Okay, so for us, usually very, very quickly, as soon as Manara gives us this signal, we usually come and draw our zone here, like this is zone one, and then we usually come and draw our zone two, this is zone two. So after that, we usually know our exit will actually be around this area zone, which will be around our zone D. And this is exactly what we're looking for. If we go back to on trading view, it is still the same case. I will just like get back my bar so that you can be able to see how we usually take these signals. Okay, so in the morning, this was your start. This was silver. This is where it was. And for me, all I did is I just put a sell stop here as soon as I see silver started dropping. But one thing that you want to know is as soon as silver dropped, it was able to retrieve. So it's usually very important to have your stop loss at the most important zone, which I usually share on my VIP. So you can be able to see what happened with silver. After it broke, it actually retraced from the to the upside, and then after that, that is when it had that big drop. Okay, so the other trade was Nasdaq 100. Okay, the same thing with Nasdaq 100. It was shared by Manara, and I'll be able to go to Manara. And on Manara, we were able to get the Nasdaq 100 signal, which was here. Okay, and then we just draw the same zones. Our zones are constant. Our zones remain the same. As you can be able to see, I've drawn the zones here. You can be able to see I've drawn zone A, zone B, and then you can be able to see these are liquidity zones swipes also. But this just makes simple things. You just need these two zones and you're good to go. So for Nasdaq, let's go on Nasdaq and you can be able to see our zone A was here, our zone B was here. Price was able to break our zone here. We're able to put our stop loss just above there, that's just above this zone, and we're able to get a drop. I know the biggest question you're like, wow, Dennis, I like how this Manara is giving these signals. How can I be able to get access to it? So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you want to go on the link below. If you are not on the description, if you are not on my Telegram group, I want you to click on that link that is there. After you've clicked on that link that is there, it will directly add you. You're filling your email, you're filling your phone. It will directly add you to my Telegram. Actually, let's see if we can be able to do. Uh, let's see if we can be able to do this. Let me see if we can be able to see one of my YouTube videos. Is Mabu Manara. Let's see if we will be able to see. Okay, this video here. So it will be just the same as this video. If you click on it, let's click on this. You'll be able to come on the description here. You'll be able to get a link like this one. Okay, to get a link like that one, you'll be able to click on that link and it will be able to send you to a page that looks like this. Let me show you the page. You'll be able to send you to a page, to this page. Uh, we'll be able to send you to this page. Oh, not this one. It is a page whereby you're filling in your name and you're filling in your email. Let's take a look at that again. I just want to show you the exact page that you'll actually be visiting, that everything can be clear here. So if you click on this, it's still the same. Okay, so let's see. So this is the link that you'll be able to find on the description. This one. So what you'll do is just be able to click yes, I want this. You fill your email here. You fill your name. And the moment you click yes, I want this, you'll be able to be added on the Telegram group. After that, if you're on the Telegram group now, what you want to do is you want to go on, when you're on the Telegram, you want to go to the pinned message. So on the pinned message, this is where you go and watch a video this video on how Manara is now this one. This will be the video on how to use Manara and how to get instant access to Manara. Okay, so I'll see you on the other side. Have a good time. Those for today's analysis. Be blessed.